It does go quick, but it feels good. I like working.
VolunteerFest is, we're in our 21st year of this particular event. A day like this is important because it gives us the opportunity to showcase what we do. It gives us the opportunity to talk to folks like you guys and spread the word that we're here and we want to help and again improve the quality of life here in Fairfax County.
So mix it in with your hands, see?
Volunteer Fairfax has scheduled about 19 or 20 volunteer projects throughout the county. We have volunteer projects in libraries, cleanups at rec centers, plantings at Daniels Run, and of course today we're outdoors with the trails at Sully.
Today we're at Sully doing some trail cleanup, but it's an opportunity for the community to help out in their area.
Daniels Run, we've got a project. We've got 2 gardens there. We are clearing, making way for plantings of vegetables, and then we have a literacy garden. The literacy garden is unique in that we'll illustrate popular books for our young generation.
So let me see if this will go through.
It's a growing county. We can't serve all the needs, and there are gaps. So we are very helpful to the county in filling those gaps.
We have an outstanding staff. I believe it's 14 or 15 on Volunteer Fairfax right now. They're all highly trained in dealing with volunteers.
As volunteers ourselves, we are very warm, friendly, encouraging, and if someone doesn't feel like they get the right fit, I'm sure they're going to feel comfortable coming back to us to try for something else. The commitment is yours to decide on. It's always something that everyone can do. A little bit of service goes a long way.
1, 2, 3.